let's say you could go back into your day one self, signing up for Colaberry, don't know what you signed up for. What advice would you give yourself?
YouTube is your best friend.
YouTube, okay.
Yeah. It's just to, just to go and search for like different explanations of like even just the idea of what is business intelligence. I had no idea what business intelligence was when I signed up for Colaberry. I had literally never heard of that phrase before in my whole life. So I just had to go online and just like Google like what is business intelligence and like what is SQL coding, what does SQL stand for? And I'm a big I need to understand what acronyms mean in order to comprehend like what the function of it is. So I had to go through and like research every single little bit. So I would say, of course, Colaberry's programs are robust, but do your own research as well. Don't just rely solely on being spoon-fed all the information. You have to go and search it out yourself.